Uh-oh, first grade. It's a pizza curse. Get ready. You will need this page, the Pizza Curse wrap, from your lesson scans, page 3. You will also need a crayon of your choice or a few. If you do not wish to print this page, you could certainly follow along with mine. And then what I would do is I would take out a piece of paper and I would draw each of these circles as we come to them, or I would use a whiteboard and I would draw them, and then you can erase as you go. It is a little bit difficult to do that, but you certainly could. So there's a couple different options. You need a crayon of your choice, or a few if you want to change colors, and your listening ears, please. The Pizza Curse wrap. I was feeling oh so hungry and ready to eat. I thought a big pizza would be a great treat. I wanted to eat the whole thing. But right about then, I heard the doorbell ring. Bring! So, if this person, you, ate this entire pizza, how much would you eat? The whole thing. This is how we color in a whole pizza, just like that. In came my best friend, Anna Marie. She said she was as hungry as little old me. We decided to split that pizza down the middle. We each get half and be happy as a fiddle. Please color in half of the pizza. Half. All right, so I don't get a whole pizza, but at least I have half. I can share with Anna Marie. She's my friend. Then Mom called down and gave me the word, don't forget to give your brother a third. The word third. It reminds me of third, which is also the number 3. So if we were going to save one for me, Anna, and my brother, that means that now I only get a third of the piece of pizza. So just one little part. Please color in a third. There it is. Then Sister Cindy waltzed through the door. Oh no, that makes it an even 4. I wanted to scream, go north, go north. I won't give you a single fourth. So instead of having 3, now we can see over here that we have 4 slices for each of those 4 people, which means I only get to eat a fourth of it. It's a big difference from having a whole pizza to yourself, right? This seems to be cursed. And in walked that little Bobby Smith. He was grinning and thinking he'd get a 5th. Uh-oh, now we need to split up between 5 people. So what would that look like if you only got a 5th of the pizza? Like that. Oh boy. Right about then the doorbell rang, and that's when my head started to hang. In came the 6th and the 7th, and they didn't stop coming until the 11th. So in came the 6th and the 7th. Oh, that slice is getting smaller. As our number of people get bigger, that slice is getting smaller. The 8th, the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th. Look at that tiny slice. So the whole hasn't changed, but what's changed is the amount of slices we needed to make in the whole. That's what a fraction is. A fraction is a part or a piece of a whole. And the more fractions you need to make of the whole, the smaller the fractions get. So even though we're saying 11th, which would be 1 out of 11, and 11 seems like a big number, in fractions, as that number gets bigger, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we can see that that is actually a smaller fraction of the whole. I wanted to scream. I wanted to holler. My piece of pizza kept getting smaller. Oh no, oh my, it couldn't get worse. It had to be a pizza curse. Then once again that doorbell rang. I looked back at all the gang. We had to cut that pizza into 12ths. We'd all be eating like little elves. So you can see there, that's a pizza cut into 12ths. Look at that tiny slice that the person gets now. I opened the door and almost hit the floor because there was my dad with pizzas galore. So you see there was no pizza curse, just this little old fraction verse. Phew. Great job, first grade. Hope you enjoyed.